Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. I would like us to like and follow this page, comment and share this video for more interesting topic. And today we are looking at implementation of fraction comparison. We have, on our last video, we have sets of fractions that we compare to see which one is less than and which one is greater than. But today we are going to implement this to what we do in our workplace. So we have a imperial system of unit and metric system of unit. The imperial system of unit and metric system of unit. Imperial system of unit we have in 1/2, 1/4, 1/8 or 3/4 inches and so on. While metric system of unit is in 10, 100, 1000 and in meters. So we have in speed. If you can see in speed, we have the imperial system of unit in speed is mile per hour, while in metrics we have kilometer per hour. Then we also have in temperature, we have Fahrenheit. Then also in metrics we have Celsius. Then also in liquid we have a gallon and liters in metrics. Also we have in weights. In weights we have a pounds. Then we have a kilogram. Then we have in distance, we have inches and centimeters in metrics. Centimeters. So this is how the two system of unit that we use in our industry. We should be able to identify this in anything that we do. For example, in our tools, spanners, we have a set of spanners here that each of these spanners represent each of these fractions here. For example, we have 5/16, which is here, and also we have 13/16 also, which is here. So, and the rest of them, they are all here. So we are going to find out each of these fractions, which one is greater than and which one is less than. We in our former video we use a method of cross multiplication, whereby we have 15 all over 16 and 13 all over 16. If you cross multiply this and cross multiply this, you have 16 times 15, you have 240, while 16 times 13, you have 208. And now you see that 240 is greater than 208. So 15 over 16 is greater than 208. So we write greater than. Also we have 7, 8 and 1.5. We have 7/8 and 1.5. This 1.5 is the same thing. 1.5. 1.5 is the same thing as, if you multiply 2 times 1, we have 2. 2 plus 1, we have 3. Is equal to 3 all over 2. So if you cross multiply 2 by 7 and 8 by 3, 2 by 7 gives you 14, and 8 by 3 gives us 24. And now you see that 1/2 here is greater than this, while 14 is less than this. So we see that 7/8 is less than 1 and a half. So we write a sign of less than. So number 3, we have 1 over 4 and 1 over 16. So you can cancel 1 here and cross multiply 16 by 1 and 4 by 1. We have 4 here and we have 16. You can see that 1 over 4 is greater than 1 over 16. So we bring in a sign of greater than. And number 4, we have 5 over 8 and 5 over 16. If we cancel 1 here, then cross multiply 8 and 16. We have 40 here and we have 80. So we now see that 80 is greater than 40. So we bring in the sign of greater than. So we now have this, the feed 118 and 138. So the same thing, we cancel 1 here. We cross multiply 8 and 1 and 8 and 3. We have 8 and we have 24. We now see that 118 is less than 138. So we bring in less than, a sign of less than. And the last one, we have 3/4 and 1/4. We have to turn this thing into a fraction. So we have 4 times 1. We have 4 plus 1, 5. Then 5 all over 4. If we cross multiply 4 by 3 and 4 by 5, we have 20 and we have here 12. So 3/4 is less than 5, 1/4. So we bring in a sign of less than. So this is how we can compare this fraction, and we can see that some of them are greater than and some of them are less than. In our industry today, we use tools that has different system of unit, which is imperial and the matrix, and we have these fractions here that can be used when we use our tools like spanner. We have different set of spanner here with the same value that what we have on board here, like 15/16 and 13/16. You can see that these two spanner, we've been able to identify that 15/16 here is greater than 13/16, and we can see it physically. Then the second one is 7/8 here and 1/12. Physically here, from our video here, we can see that 1/12 is greater than 7/8, which is 7/8 is less than 1/12. So the third one is 1/14 and 1/16. The two spanners are here, 1/14 and 1/16 here. Here we can see that 1/14 is greater than or is bigger than 1/16. The 12 spanner is here. That is for number 3. Then we have number 4, which is 1/58 here and 1/16. We can all see that 1/58 is greater than 1/16. These are the two spanner. So the feed one is 1/18 and 1/38. Two of them are here. We can all see that 1/18 is less than 1/38. So these two spanner are here, and we can all see. Then the last but not the least, we have 3/4 and 1/14. We can all see that 3/4 is less than or smaller than 1/14. That means for our comparison of these fractions, we've been able to find out that each of these fractions is greater than or less than each other from our calculation. So these are the system of units that we use in our workplace. This is just a very small unit of the tools that we use. Other equipment and tools still use the same system of unit. So we should be able to identify which one is imperial and which one is matrix. And we should be able to use this both system of unit in order to identify the right tools to carry out our job effectively.